So in general, using a flea medication is one of the better ways to be able to go through and get rid of fleas on cats. And these flea medications, they come in a variety of different formulations and then also how long they're effective for. The one we generally like to use is going to be a topical, meaning you apply it directly on the skin, calmly between the shoulder blades, and that can be good for about 30 days. There are other types of medications as well, where they'll be more of a pill form, where your cat can take a pill. It'll be good for about 30 days. There are certain types of flea medications that work instantaneously, where the cat can go through and take a pill that day, and it kills all the living fleas on their body, but not necessarily the eggs. So even though the living fleas are gone, the eggs are still alive. You can also try going through, and if your cat would tolerate it, and it's not going to be too stressful for you or for your cat, you also try going through and giving them a bath with Dove dish soap. That has a certain type of formulation to it that doesn't allow fleas to stick very well to the coat and they can fall off. Or you can also go through and try using a flea shampoo.